Your entry door is more than just a way in and out of your home. It's a key part of your security, energy efficiency, and overall comfort. However, like any frequently used feature, entry doors can develop issues over time. For homeowners in Knoxville, recognizing and addressing these problems early can prevent costly repairs and protect your home. Here are some common entry door problems you shouldn't ignore. One of the most noticeable issues is difficulty opening or closing the door. If your door sticks, drags, or doesn't latch properly, it may be a sign of alignment problems. This can happen due to changes in temperature, humidity, or the natural settling of your home. While it may seem like a minor inconvenience, a poorly aligned door can lead to gaps that affect both security and energy efficiency. Addressing alignment issues early ensures your door functions smoothly and seals properly. Drafts are another common problem that many homeowners overlook. If you feel air coming in around your door, it means the seal is no longer effective. This can make your home less comfortable and cause your heating or cooling system to work harder. In Knoxville, where temperatures can vary throughout the year, even small drafts can lead to higher energy bills. Replacing worn weather stripping or upgrading your door can help restore proper insulation. Visible damage to the door itself is another issue that shouldn't be ignored. Cracks, dents, warping, or peeling finishes not only affect the appearance of your home but can also weaken the door's structure. Wooden doors, in particular, may be more susceptible to moisture-related damage. Over time, this can compromise both durability and security. Repairing or replacing a damaged door helps maintain your home's protection and curb appeal. Another common concern is outdated or faulty locking mechanisms. Your entry door is your home's first line of defense, and a weak or malfunctioning lock can put your safety at risk. If your lock is difficult to use, loose, or no longer feels secure, it's important to upgrade it. Modern locking systems offer improved security and ease of use, giving you greater peace of mind. Gaps between the door and frame are another issue that can lead to multiple problems. These gaps may allow air, moisture, and even pests to enter your home. They can also indicate that your door or frame is no longer properly fitted. In Knoxville's changing weather conditions, this can lead to increased humidity indoors or water damage over time. Ensuring a proper fit and seal is essential for maintaining both comfort and protection. Moisture damage is another problem homeowners should watch for. Signs such as soft wood, mold, or discoloration around the doorframe can indicate water infiltration. Left untreated, this can lead to more serious structural issues. Proper sealing, flashing, and timely repairs can prevent moisture from causing long-term damage. Another issue that often goes unnoticed is noise. If you can easily hear outside sounds through your door, it may not be providing adequate insulation. While this might not seem like a major concern, it can affect your overall comfort. Upgrading to a well-insulated door can help create a quieter and more peaceful indoor environment. Worn hinges and hardware can also cause problems over time. Squeaking, loose hinges, or difficulty in operation are signs that parts may need to be tightened or replaced. Ignoring these small issues can lead to bigger problems, such as the door becoming misaligned or difficult to use. In addition to functionality, outdated design is another reason to consider addressing entry door issues. An old or worn door can make your home look less inviting, even if the rest of your exterior is well maintained. Upgrading your door not only solves performance issues but also enhances your home's appearance. Ultimately, your entry door plays a crucial role in your home's safety, comfort, and efficiency. For homeowners in Knoxville, paying attention to these common problems and addressing them promptly can prevent larger issues down the line. In the end, small door problems can quickly turn into major concerns if left untreated. By staying proactive and making necessary repairs or upgrades, you can ensure your entry door continues to protect your home and provide lasting value for years to come.